Hello, my name is Kevin Allison and I'm the Vice President of Fire Monitoring of Canada. We've been providing you and your business with peace of mind, knowing that your assets are secure with our fire monitoring and intrusion alarm monitoring systems for more than 25 years. And today, I'm pleased to come to you with some exciting news. It's my great pleasure to announce Fire Monitoring of Canada's recent acquisition of Bulldog Fire and Security. Fire Monitoring of Canada has led the charge in the early notification of fire alarm signals to the fire department and has evolved into a full-service security company operating our own ULC-listed signals receiving center. This allows the company to provide fire monitoring and security solutions that are ideal for a variety of high-risk occupancies. With the recent acquisition of Bulldog Fire and Security, Fire Monitoring of Canada is now able to provide an even wider array of services to you, our valued customers. We are now your one-stop shop service provider for anything relating to your fire alarm, security alarm, and fire monitoring needs within your building. Thanks to this recent acquisition, we're now able to provide fire alarm installation and service and inspection, fire extinguisher service, CCTV systems, card access systems, and large-scale security integration project design, installation, and service. We couldn't be more excited about being able to offer these new services to you and look forward to discussing these changes in greater depth. But we also want to ensure that there are two major things that will stay the same. First, you'll continue to work with the same people in our company that you have in the past. And second, our fee structure will not change. Because of our new shared resources, you may see Bulldog technicians at your location to service your equipment. Rest assured that these are our employees with the same level of expertise and customer care that we've always offered at Fire Monitoring of Canada. The availability of new technicians will work to further improve our response times and customer service. We look forward to introducing you to some of our new partners and associates. If you have any questions about this exciting news and what it means for you, please contact us at any time. We look forward to not only providing you with great service you've come to expect, but to offering new services to continue to make your life easier.